How to do local backup and restore in Shield app. You can choose Backup or Restore option for your 2FA secrets. Let's start with Backup option. Click Local Device option. Find a location. Make directory or save your encrypted backup file. Congrats! Now you can enable your 2FA into Secure Shield Land. Now, let's start with Restore option. Click Local Device option. Find the location of your backup file and choose File. If your private key matched with previous one, all secrets will be restored into your 2FA screen.